Now, when we talk about the self-signed certificate, so the process is really simple. We just need to click on the start button, type PowerShell over here. So run as administrator because we need some additional level of privileges. So now the Windows PowerShell windows appear over here. So we have two simple commands. The first command will generally create the self sign certificate, and the second command is just used to export the certificate in the pfx format. So we will go and type the first command regarding the self signed certificate. So the process is very simple. As I said, that you just need to type this simple command, new self signed certificate. Then we need to type the DNS name. Here you can see the DNS name is mentioned. So you need to type your own DNS. It might be tag.com or training.com or XYZ, something else, whatever you need. So you just need to type the specific domain name over here, and then it's a default location where Windows store all kinds of certificates. What is my certificate name? So here you can say see friendly name is one box SSL certificate. As I'm going to create this certificate for my one box application, so I just type the name accordingly. You can change the name as well as per your own requirement. So we understand the all parameters. We just need to click over here, and now the certificate is created. So it's really simple process, because whenever we talk about the self-signed certificate, so no third-party authorities involved over here like GoDaddy or Cloudflare or SSL. So this Windows will automatically create the certificate. So we will bypass all the parameters, because we are just going to create the self-signed certificate. Now the certificate is created, and we need to export that certificate. So again, we need a simple command which is on the platform of a PowerShell as well. So I just remove all these content and type the next command, and here you can see export certificate. Now I will define the certificate path over here. So let me change that part, as I have the export folder over here. So here I simply use just a demo password over here. You can use a complex password. So here I just typed again. I just click on the initiate process, and here the certificate is exported on my specified location. So let's go over here. Here you can see now the certificate is available. So what I can do right now, I just click on that certificate, and it will appear how to install the certificate. So always select the local machine options, because certificate is generally deployed on the machine, not on the user profile. So just click on the next button and click yes. Now here specify the file where this file is exist, and now behind the scene all the parameters and file extensions defined. Click next, and now we need to use the same password which we created for the purpose of this pfx file. So I just type the password and hit entered. And now that's the important side. You need to be very conscious about the implementation of the certificate and where you want to place this. So by default, we will place it definitely automatically. Select the certificate path and click next and finish. So by that way, you can easily install that certificate. And if you want to verify that certificate, so the process is really simple. Just type mmc, click yes, and from here you can type control m, certificate authorities, computer account, definitely click next, finish. and okay. So now by default, whenever we try to install any certificate, it will deploy under the personal folder. So here I just click the certificates, and from here we can verify the certificates, and let me check that certificate over here. So here you can see the proper certificate is installed for 1 year. It will expire on the same date in 2026. So here, this certificate is not trusted. So very generic kind of problem, because it's a self-signed certificate. No third party is involved for the creation of this certificate. That's why this error is generated. Now, what we can do to resolve this problem? So it's really simple. We just need to reinstall this certificate and place over all the locations like trusted root certificate authorities, enterprise trust, and intermediate certification authorities. So these are the three areas where we need to install and place the certificate. So we will go here. We just click local machine, next, 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 type the password, next. And here now place all the certificates in the following store, and we will repeat the same process for all other parameters. Finish. Now initiate it again. Local machine, simple process. Yes. Next. Type the password. Next. Now here we need to select the enterprise trust, because it will try to locate for its CA. So we just need to place this certificate on all locations. Let me now the last one, and here we go. So type the password again, next, and placed it over here. So the last location is intermediate certificate authorities. Type here, finish, finish. Okay. So now we need to verify it again, because now this certificate is placed on three major areas. So now here we go with this certificate, and here you go. Now, because it was a self-signed certificate, so we need to place this certificate under intermediary, under root and enterprise as well. So it will resolve the issue. So now I hope you get the detailed information how you can create the self-signed certificate, and how you can resolve the CA issues regarding the self-signed certificate. Thank you very much. And if you like our content, just like, share, and subscribe our channel as well. Thank you very much.